Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG 34WR50QK-B, a new 34-inch WQHD curved LCD monitor. So friend, the monitor incorporates range of technical specification and feature designed to optimize user performance and visual experience, and it utilizes a VA panel with WQHD resolution and 21 gem and aspect ratio that is well suited for multitasking and impressive viewing. So friend, the display feature a curvature of 1800R, providing a wider field of view and more engaging visual experience, and additional picture-by-picture mode which allows the simulational display of two input images, and flicker-free safe technology to minimize screen flicker. Another important feature compromise blue light reduction mode for decreased eye strain, DAS mode to lower input lag, and black stabilizer to enhance visibility in dark scene. And the monitor achieves a maximum brightness of 300 cadmium per meter square and contrast ratio of 3000 Gem 1 and response time of 5 milliseconds GTG, while supporting a refresh rate of 100 Hz. In terms of connectivity, it comes with DisplayPort and two HDMI port for video output, along with the audio input and output terminal for headphone connectivity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.